traffic coming through.
You're going to stuff for Oprah for that. That's not nice. My Christian self. Wow. This is Brooklyn. Brooklyn, man. Is that guy gangster? Why? No, I heard about gangsters here. Are you a gangster? Answer the question, sir. You gangster, yes or no?
He's not a gangster.
You know what that means?
What?
He ain't shit. How about Uncle Jack?
Hey.
Uncle Jack, come here.
What's up?
What's up with you? You still a jerk?
Man.
What do you mean he's a jerk?
You know, he's a jerk.
I don't get how's he a jerk? He's mean to you?
No, he's doing this.
Doing what?
Jerking off. Uncle Jack is a jack. Uncle,
No, Uncle Jack's a jerk.
I'm confused.
Uncle Jack is a jerk.
Tongue twister?
Uncle Jack.
Uncle Jack's a jerk.
All right.